Right, for question 14, once again, we don't know what the substitution is. In this case, our initial variable is u. So, for our substitution, we have to find a different variable. Let's use the variable v. But we don't know what v is equal to. How do we find that out? Well, let's look at this. There's a couple of functions here. There's the function u, and there's the function square root of 1 minus u squared. Now, obviously, this is the complex or the compound function, the one that has one inside another. The outer function f of something is clearly just the square root. The inside function g of u is 1 minus u squared. So, remember how we figured out what the substitution variable v should be? It was always just equal to the inside function. So in this case, the inside function is gu, or 1 minus u squared. What else is remaining once we take out the square root of 1 minus u squared? We have u and we have du. So let's figure out how to replace them. As usual, we differentiate with respect to u. dv du is going to be equal to, the 1 goes away, and from the minus u squared we get minus 2u. Okay, I'm going to make a very, very simple change here. I'm going to cross multiply the du up here, and I'm going to cross multiply the minus 2 into the denominator of the left hand side. That leaves me with negative dv over 2 is equal to u times du. I did that so I can isolate u times du, which are the two things we're trying to get rid of. So now we're ready to make our substitution. We have the integral of the square root of v times the u du gets replaced by negative dv, so I'm going to put the negative out front, divided by 2. Right, this seems fairly easy to deal with. It's just negative half times the integral of v to the power of half dv. This is straightforward integration. We just increase the power by 1, so half plus 1 is 3 over 2. We had times negative a half. We have to divide this by 3 over 2, so multiply it by 2 over 3. Remember to add your constant of integration, because this is indefinite integration. And the last step is to replace the v's with u's. So we'll have negative 1 over 3, 1 minus u squared to the power of 3 over 2, plus constant of integration c. And there's your answer.